Hello children, welcome to your second video to make something out of clay for the COVID-19 series. What we're going to make today is we're going to make a chicken. I'm not terribly sure what we're going to use the chicken for, but we'll get to that at the end and you can make some decisions about that. So you're sitting comfortably, you've got a bit of cloth, you've got your water that you're going to dip your fingers into. And out of your kit you are going to need your slump mold. A slump mold it's the shape of a bowl, but when you turn it upside down it's got nothing in it, but we use that to slump the clay over to make a shape. Okay, it's made out of plaster of Paris, and that's what you need for this project. One of these newspaper templates that are in the little packet that was in the kit, and your magic sword, and that's about it. Oh yes, no, you're going to need in the little crazy clay punnet, you will find one of these. Let me hold it. It's a leaf stamp. You're going to need that. So you've got your slump mold, you've got your leaf stamp, you've got your template, and you've got your magic sword, and more importantly, you've got your clay. Take it out and break it in half. You can use your body as a scale, more or less the same on either side. Okay, put one down. I'm going to have to stand up for this, I think. Let me see how this works. We're going to flatten one of them, and how you do that is you push down on it and you go push, push, turn over, keep your cloth down, push, push, turn over. And at this stage, if you'll remember, those of you who are in my classes, it gets very noisy because this is what actually works better when you're sitting down. Bang, 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 bang. Sorry about that. And then you flip it over so that the water gets drawn out evenly. Okay, otherwise the water's all going to come out the one side. Keep flipping and pushing and flipping and pushing until such time as you get something that is probably, I'm going to do it down here because I need to be a bit quicker, that is not a Mari biscuit thick, but perhaps between an Eat Some More biscuit and a Mari biscuit thick. So not too thin, not too thick. Okay, and you turn it over, and the table actually helps you flatten it as well, the flatness of the table. So eventually you're with something like that. It's about that thin, and it's like that. And you put that down on your working space. You pick up your template. You lay your template on the clay. Just put it nicely on the clay. Like that. I'm going to hold it up now so you can see where I'm going. Oh, no, that's why mine's not working. Let me do this one here. There we go. I'm going to hold it up like that so you can see I've just laid it on the clay. Okay, so it's flat. Now you are going to take your magic sword, find the sharp side, dig it into the clay so that you feel the wood underneath, or you feel the surface that you're working on, and you are going to draw around this template with your magic sword. You are going to keep the wood of the sword touching the paper of the template at all times. Okay, you're going around. If you make a mistake, don't worry, just go straight back and find where you left off and keep the wood of the sword touching the template at all times. Okay, and go as neat as you can. Okay, I'm going to put this down to finish off. Not sure how much you can see from there, but what you're doing is you're going around the template. There we go. And once that has happened, you pick up the clay around the template, and what you've got is a piece of clay the same shape as the template. Okay, your leftover clay, To keep it moist, put it into a little ball and back with the other piece that's on the table. Okay, and now you can peel your template off gently because you're going to need it. Try not to tear. There we go. And now you've got this. Gosh, the lighting here is not brilliant, but I hope you can see. And now this is going to be the body of your bird. I'm going to stop the video now so it doesn't get too big, and I will carry on.